Welcome to a breathing anchor for your wandering mind guided meditation. This mindfulness practice is your breathing anchor practice where you root your awareness into the present moment, like an anchor that roots a ship to one place. This meditation will help you to dissolve anxiety, decrease stress, and allow the body to heal in a relaxed and peaceful state. So to begin, let's become comfortable in a chair or possibly lying down. Any position is okay, but just make sure that you are relaxed and that your spine is following its natural curves. While sitting, see if you can establish a position that feels dignified, alert, but yet relaxed, and allow your body to settle to rest down into gravity, letting it be supported by the floor beneath you, and gently close your eyes if that's comfortable. This will help your awareness settle by lessening external distractions. Gradually, allow your awareness to gather around the sensations of the breath in your body. Where do you feel the breath most strongly? Be curious about your actual experience, letting go of what you think should be happening, and being with your experience without judgment. Now, very gently, rest your awareness within your whole torso. Can you feel your belly swelling on the in-breath and subsiding on the out-breath? Can you feel any movement and sensations with the breath in the sides and the back of your body as well? Gradually begin going inward a little more deeply with a sense of curiosity towards whatever you're experiencing as you breathe. Remember to be accepting of whatever's happening. Now begin to see if you can cultivate a precise awareness in the body of the sensations and the movement of your breath. Notice them as they happen, moment by moment, being careful not to strain. Allow your awareness to be utterly receptive as it rests upon the natural movement of the breath in the body. Allow the breath to be saturated with kindliness as it rocks and cradles the body, soothing any stress, pain, or discomfort that you may feel. Now become aware of any thoughts and emotions. Remember that mindfulness isn't about having a blank mind. It's normal to think. Mindfulness is the training whereby you cultivate awareness of what is actually happening physically, mentally, and emotionally. This will allow you to gradually change your perspective and feel that you have more choice in how you relate to life. Can you look at your thoughts and emotions rather than react from them? Can you be aware of what you're thinking and feeling without ever blocking experience or getting overwhelmed by it? And remember, thoughts are not facts, even though we often think that they are. As you develop perspectives on your thoughts and emotions, including undermining ones, can you let go of being so caught up in them? Notice how they're continually changing one moment to the next. Exactly the same way you breathe is always changing. Your thoughts and emotions are not as fixed, as solid as you perhaps thought. Using awareness of the movement and sensations of the breath in your body as an anchor for the mind over and over again. Begin to follow your breath all the way in and all the way out. Each time your awareness wanders, as it will, simply note this and return to the breathing anchor time after time after time, moment after moment. Making sure you're very kind and patient with yourself, even if you have to start again many times. It's okay. That is what practice is. And remember that each time you notice you've wandered is a magic moment of awareness, a moment where you've woken up from a distraction, a moment of choice. So when you catch yourself having wandered off, you're succeeding in the practice just as you're succeeding when you manage to stay with the breath. Spend time here for a few moments and focus on your emotions and your breath. Now ask yourself, what is happening now? What are you thinking? Just note this and guide your awareness back to the sensation of the breath in the body over and over and over again. Now remember that each time you notice that you've wandered, this is a moment of awareness, a moment where you've woken up from a distraction, a moment of choice. So again, if you find yourself wandering off, you've succeeded in the practice just as if you've succeeded when you manage to stay with the breath. So now, continue to note your awareness. With another deep breath in, gently begin to bring the breathing anchor practice to a close. Slowly opening your eyes, but don't move yet. Just allow yourself to focus on your breathing and on your eyes. Slowly begin to be aware of the sounds around you, inside and outside your room. Feel your whole body and gradually, gently begin to move, possibly wiggling your toes or moving your hands. Maybe moving your head back and forth. Just making sure you give yourself time to make a smooth transition from the breathing anchor practice to journaling. When you are ready, simply pick up your journal and write about your experience, possibly addressing how you focused on your breath and your emotions. How were you mindful? How were you distracted? And make sure to know anything else that you noticed or was aware of. Spend as much time as you want journaling, and I will see you at the next meditation. Have a great day, and namaste.